In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Kanban board in Trello. A Kanban board is a simple visual system for tracking work as it moves from start to finish. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a ready-to-use Trello board built from a Kanban template, so you can organize tasks, see progress at a glance, and keep your team aligned. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. You're looking for the official Trello website in the results. Click that link to open Trello. If you already know the address, you can go straight there instead. If prompted, sign in to your account so you can create and save your board. Once you're on Trello and signed in, look to the top of the page for the Create button. Click Create to open the menu of things you can make inside Trello. From that menu, choose Create Board. This is the starting point for any new Trello board. You may see options to choose a workspace or name your board. Those settings help organize where your board lives and who can access it. You can adjust them to fit your needs. To speed things up and follow best practices, select Start with a template. Templates give you a pre-built structure so you don't have to design your columns from scratch, and they're great for getting a team aligned on a consistent setup. In the template gallery, find and click the Kanban template. This template typically includes the core stages you expect, like to do, doing, and done, so your workflow is immediately clear. It also often comes with example cards you can review and adapt, which makes it easier to understand how everything fits together. Now, click Create. Trello will generate your new board from the Kanban template. In a moment, you'll see your columns and sample cards laid out. You can start working right away by moving cards across columns as tasks progress, keeping everything visible and up to date. A few quick tips as you begin using your board. Keep your column names simple and meaningful to your team. Keep work in progress reasonable so nothing gets stuck. And use labels, members, and due dates to add clarity without cluttering the view. Small, consistent updates make the board reliable and easy to trust. And that's it. You've created a Kanban board in Trello using a template. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your work with a clear visual flow.